Modular furniture manufacture story. Modular furniture refers to furniture pieces that can be assembled in different configurations to suit the needs of the user. This type of modular furniture is popular in small apartments, offices, and co-working spaces where flexibility and space-saving solutions are required. Some examples of modular furniture include bookcases, shelving units, desks, tables, and seating solutions. To manufacture furniture, modular takes several steps are involved, such as designing, prototyping, sourcing materials, manufacturing, assembling, and shipping. Here are some steps may take to make modular furniture. Ideation and design. Modular will create a rough sketch of the furniture piece based on the client's requirements. Once approved, the design is refined and a prototype is created. Material selection. Modular will source high-quality materials that are durable, lightweight, and sustainable as per customer requirement. These materials may include wood, metal, glass, and plastic. Manufacturing. The furniture is then manufactured in a factory, where the pieces are cut, sanded, drilled, and finished with various types of coatings. Assembly. Once the individual pieces are manufactured, if required, our assembly team will assemble them according to the design specifications. Often, modular furniture requires assembling on site, which means our team has to ensure that the pieces are easy to put together. Shipping. The fully assembled furniture pieces are then shipped to the customer's location. modular furniture can be a challenging but rewarding business. By providing efficient, space-saving, and versatile furniture solutions, modular furniture can cater to a broad range of customers and markets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.